Right, so it's Wednesday. We've been held up on this, but we're getting the rods in this morning, so we should have a good start now tomorrow and get the base in. So we dig the holes, then we drop in this 24mm threaded bar, big square plate washer on there, which stops it driving down through the concrete. The hole gets filled with concrete. It's about 50 kilo of concrete in each hole. So like we've marked it out with the string lines, and we then use the string line to keep our rods all dead in line with each other, and then when we drill our timbers to go over the top, it'll literally be a case of drilling the centre of the timber, dropping it down, and it'll be a nice straight line. So that's what we're going to do. We've got another 4 rods to put in, so there'll be over a ton of concrete in this base holding it down to the floor. Nobody else is using this for the bases. I mean, some people are using these ground screws, but there's no concrete going in. It's traditional way, pile base in, and one of the strongest ways as well. Right, so that's day 3 done. All rods are in, concrete's still wet, so we can't do anything else today. Now tomorrow what we'll do, we'll tighten all those nuts off level, get our perimeter base in, and then infill with our joists and insulation and board the floor as well. We'll level all that out. We'll put some weed barrier over the top of it to prevent any weed growth in the future. And that's it tomorrow. So tomorrow we should have the base on and start doing the walls as well. Thank you.